Okay, students, see, this is the diagram, that is the instrumentation of NMR spectroscopy. Instrumentation of NMR spectroscopy. The instrumentation for this technique includes the powerful magnet, radio frequency signal transmitter, amplifier, detector, and so on, and is the outline of the instrument. See, in this, a sample tube or sample holder. So, in this, first we should fill the analyte. Analyte means the test sample which is to be analyzed is called analyte and is filled in the sample tube. So, here the sample holder is nothing but a glass tube with 8.5 centimeter long and 0.3 centimeter in diameter. And here the sample in the test or the sample tube is a spin around its axis to ensure that all parts of the solution experience a relatively uniform magnetic field. And a sample tube is placed in the magnet. So permanent magnet, it is called a permanent magnet. So here it provides a homogeneous magnetic field at 60 to 100 megahertz. 60 to 100 megahertz. See the magnetic coils, it has a magnetic coils from the magnetic controller. So the magnetic coils induce magnetic field when current flows through them. So the magnetic controller, it has also sweep generator, that is it produces the equal amount of magnetic field pass through the sample. And see RF transmitter. So RF transmitter is nothing but radio frequency transmitter, a radio transmitter coil that produces a short powerful pulse of radio waves to the sample. So whenever the short powerful pulse of radio waves get absorbed by the sample, their principle occurs. So the detector that detects the number of hydrogens or protons from the sample and that gives a signal. So radio frequency is nothing but the radio receiver coil detects radio frequency that is emitted as nuclei relax to a lower energy level. And see, this is called recorder or readout system. So it is a computer generally that analyze and records the data. So it is what the instrumentation of nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. And finally we see the applications of NMR. The applications of NMR. Applications of NMR. So the NMR is used in wide range in industries. So it is used in biology to study the biofluids, cells, organs, carbohydrates, proteins and peptides, and is used in physics to study high pressure diffusion, liquid crystals, membranes, and is used in three-dimensional structure determination. They are like proteins, nucleic acids, DNA complexes, and is used in pharmaceutical science to study drug metabolism, and is used in chemistry to determine enantiomeric purity. It elucidates the chemical structure of organic and inorganic compounds. It identifies the types of atoms present in the sample, and it analyzes the purity and composition of the sample. So it is what the most important technique of NMR. Okay, so this is what the total NMR that includes principle, instrumentation and applications of NMR. Thank you.